Welcome to the best picks. The best Makita circular saw is probably one of the most popular cordless circular saws on the market, known for its powerful performance, lightweight design, and impressive cutting capacity. Today, we will deep dive into this tool, exploring its key features, performance in various applications, and overall value, helping you decide if it's the right tool for your next project. Number 5. Makita XPS01PT Circular Saw. This is the Makita XPS01PT, a powerful and efficient circular saw. It's designed to make your cutting tasks easier and faster. It's powered by two 18V LXT batteries, giving you the power and speed you need to tackle any job. Enjoy extended run time without the limitations of a cord. The Makita-built brushless motor runs cooler and more efficiently than brushed motors, extending its lifespan and improving performance. It delivers 5,100 RPM for maximum cutting power. It features automatic speed change technology, which adjusts cutting speed and torque for optimal performance in various materials. This ensures smooth, precise cuts every time. With two 5.0Ah batteries, it provides extended run time. You can make up to 558 crosscuts in 2x4 lumber or 291 in 2x10 lumber on a single charge. Upgrade your cutting experience with the Makita XPS01PT. It's the ultimate tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. What we like. It boasts superior power and speed, easily tackling tough cuts. If you need to cut through thick lumber quickly and efficiently, this is the saw for you. Its extended runtime ensures you can complete large projects without interruption. What people say. Cuts anything my worm drive Skillsaw 714 does, not as much power of course, but still it does it, and does it smoothly. It's lightweight at least compared to the DeWalt, or perhaps it's just better balanced, but to me it feels lighter. Also gotta love the fact that you don't need new batteries, 18V LXT battery works perfect. It's noticeably lighter than a corded magnesium worm drive, but not so light that it can't push through material. Seems like the perfect balance. A rear handle saw needs to have some weight, but doing a lot of repetitive work with a standard corded saw can be hard on the arms and wrists, so it's nice to shed a few pounds with this thing. Using two 5Ah batteries, this thing seems to go all day. This thing is well thought out and tight. With a good straight edge to follow, I can wafer off a 4x8 sheet of plywood and have it look better than the same cut on my number 1 table saw. This thing feels balanced, cut straight, and everything really just feels right about this saw. Number 4. Makita XPS01PTJ Kit. This is the Makita XPS01PTJ, a powerful and versatile plunge saw. It's cordless for easy maneuverability and features a brushless motor for extended run time. It's powered by two 18V LXT batteries, giving you the power and speed you need to tackle any job. Experience the difference of X2 LXT technology. The Makita-built BL brushless motor delivers impressive performance. It provides 6,300 RPM for fast cuts and 50% longer runtime compared to brushed motors. It features automatic speed change technology. This adjusts cutting speed and torque for optimum performance in various materials. With variable speed control, 2,500 to 6,300 RPM, you have precise control for different materials. It also allows for close-to-the-wall cutting. This saw's close-to-the-wall cutting capability, 11/16-inch, opens up a world of possibilities. It's perfect for a variety of applications. What we like. This saw's plunge cutting capability opens up a world of possibilities. If you're looking for precision and versatility in your cuts, this is the one. The variable speed control ensures optimal performance across various materials. What people say. The saw has an abundance of power, and I've been really impressed with how long the batteries last. Apparently having two batteries makes a huge difference. The saw is well built, the cut quality is excellent, and the fit on the Makita tracks is great. When I make cuts with it, they look so straight you'd think a robot did it. I had a big project to cut over 100 sheets of plywood, and so I decided I'd take the plunge. This saw is just so cool. Number 3. Makita XPS02Z Circular Saw. This is the Makita XPS02Z 18V LXT lithium-ion cordless circular saw. It's designed for power and precision cutting. It features a Makita-built motor that delivers 3,700 RPM. This ensures fast cutting through wood for increased efficiency. The heavy gauge, precision machined base provides smooth, accurate cuts every time. It also adds to the saw's durability. With a 50-degree bevel cutting capacity, it handles a wide variety of angles. You'll be able to tackle various cutting applications with ease. Weighing only 7.3 pounds with a battery, it reduces user fatigue during extended use. This makes it comfortable for any job. The 6-to-1/2-inch blade provides a 2-to-1/4-inch cutting capacity. It's perfect for a wide range of cutting tasks. What we like. It's lightweight and easy to handle, making it perfect for extended use. If you value comfort and ease of use without breaking the bank, this is a great option. Its compact size makes it ideal for various tasks. What people say. It does the job too, cutting through thin material easily and also heavier wood. Still, 7+ years it still works great. It'll rip through a 2x4 easily, plywood is no problem. This is light enough to always be my first choice. You don't have to unwind power cords, and put them back up, the battery stays charged a long time, charges quickly, lasts a long time. Number 2. Makita XPS01PTJ Circular Saw. This is the Makita XPS01PT, a powerful cordless circular saw. It's designed for professionals who demand peak performance and extended run time. It's powered by two 18V LXT batteries for incredible power and speed. Experience a cordless saw that rivals corded models in performance. The Makita-built brushless motor runs cooler and more efficiently. This means longer life and less downtime for you. Get up to 50% longer runtime per charge compared to brushed motors. That's more cuts per charge and less time spent changing batteries. It features automatic speed change technology. This adjusts cutting speed and torque for optimal performance in every cut. With two 5.0Ah batteries, it delivers impressive cutting capacity. Make up to 610 crosscuts in 2x4 lumber or 320 in 2x10 lumber on a single charge. What we like. This model excels in cutting speed and efficiency. If you need to make a large number of cuts, this saw will significantly reduce your project time. Its larger blade size is perfect for larger projects. What people say. This saw is strong enough to crosscut and plunge cut pressure-treated lumber no problem. The saw comes with a framing blade that has a very thin kerf. The battery life is very good. Power is way better than the DeWalt with literally zero bogging, cutting through multiple 2x4s and ripping 1/2 plywood sheets. Power is comparable to my corded saw, but, of course, this is so much easier to use. The saw is well built, adjustments are tight, everything just works and works well. I am currently working on a 100-plus-year-old seasoned hardwood, and this saw makes light work of even that. The blade is extremely fine and cuts beautifully. Saw itself is nicely balanced and the visibility of the cutting tip is great. Number 1. Makita XPS01PTJ Circular Saw. This is the Makita XPS01PTJ 18V LXT lithium-ion brushless cordless circular saw. It's powerful and efficient, designed for superior performance. It features a Makita-built electronically controlled BL motor. This delivers 5,000 RPM for fast cutting and ripping. The automatic speed change technology adjusts cutting speed and torque during the cut. This ensures optimum performance in any situation. The BL brushless motor eliminates carbon brushes. This makes it run cooler, more efficiently, and extends its lifespan. This efficient motor is electronically controlled to optimize battery use. Get up to 50% longer runtime per charge. It intelligently matches torque and RPM to the demands of the job. This ensures consistent performance and efficiency. What we like. It offers a powerful yet efficient brushless motor. If you value both power and battery life, this is an excellent choice. The long runtime allows you to complete more work on a single charge. What people say. Brushless motor, runs cooler, longer battery life, and translates into more power. LED illumination, just enough additional light to ensure the cut is on point. 5,000 RPM with automatic torque converter, This extra speed makes a surprising amount of difference compared to the 3000 to 4000 RPM models. The blades cut far smoother and there is far less tear out from your material. It makes a battery-powered saw cut and feel like a high-power corded saw. The dust collection port, that works very well. Cutting the MDF, there was no dust around, or very little. Works surprising well. Best yet, my hose hooks up nicely. Light in weight, no annoying cord and more powerful than my corded skill saw. I cut 2x4 and 3/4 points plywood like a hot knife through butter. The guide on the saw is precise so I can just wing it on a variety of small cutting jobs and it's perfect. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.